Welcome to ENC Silicon Steel Factory. We manufacture high-end silicon steel, cut-length sheet materials, iron core column materials, silicon steel, iron cores, and amorphous solid roll iron core, etc. With production capacity of 100,000 tons per year, the workshop has set up intelligent warehousing and logistics system through intelligent traveling crane, RGV, and other automatic transfer equipment, combined with information software system such as WMS, WCS, automatic digital and assembly line production of iron core from raw materials to finished products is achieved. In the silicon steel workshop, the full automatic slitting line is used for wide coil slitting. The device features full automatic material loading and unloading, and the 3-station rest system enables single-minute exchange of production. Using advanced silicon steel segmentation online testing equipment, the iron loss and thickness data of up to 14 silicon steel strips can be accurately measured, thus realizing the accurate management of product quality. The slitting speed of the production line reach more than 300 meters per minute. The burr of the strip is controlled within the range of 0.01 millimeter, and the width error is controlled within 0.1 millimeter. Through automatic winding of fixed-length strip and integration with MES system to achieve automatic packaging of strip paper film, automatic loading of outer corner or wood cushion, automatic weighing, automatic data collection and upload, automatic coding and sticking by robot, and automatic binding of finished products. The entire packaging process is ECO-friendly, safe, stable and efficient. The ultra-high-speed transverse shear line is used for core sheet slitting and palletizing. The maximum number of slitting sheets can reach 120 pieces per minute, 3 times the efficiency of conventional slitting equipment. It can process sheet width of 40 to 250 millimeter and maximum stacking height 360 millimeter. The slitting burr of the sheet is controlled within the range of 0.01 millimeter and length error is controlled within 0.1 millimeter. The offline automatic lamination equipment is used to automatically laminate the transformer core, linking with the MES system, connecting the stereoscopic warehouse for finished sheet upstream, realizing the automatic loading of sheet column, automatically laminating the sheet by truss robot hand. The intelligent testing system is connected downstream via the intelligent AGV to automatically test no load current and no load loss, so that the results are automatically judged and the test report generated automatically. The transverse slitting laminated sheet production line is used for automatic slitting and lamination of medium-sized dry-type transformer and American-type transformer iron cores, where automatic loading of strips, integration of slitting and laminating are realized, and automatic robot palletizing technology is applied. The window height, window width, and diagonals are controlled within the range of plus or minus 1 millimeter. Core gap is less than or equal to 0.5 millimeter. Angle of departure deviation within plus or minus 0.2 millimeter, and face flatness within plus or minus 0.3 millimeter. Core verticality within plus or minus 2 parts per thousand. The product test adopts automatic no-load and noise testing equipment automatically. Receive the test parameters of MES system, automatically adjusts the number of turns, current and voltage of the test coil, automatically uploads no-load and noise data and improves product performance. Testing and quality stability in amorphous workshop. Special AGV is used to complete the automatic feeding of the amorphous strips, and the automatic cutting machine is used for 10 to 20 stage involute cutting. Following MES instructions and drawing requirements, the automatic core winding can be realized, automatic skew correction, online monitoring of external dimensions, winding speed up to 500 meter per minute and deviation correction accuracy 0.2 millimeter are implemented. Subsequently, the intelligent core assembly equipment assembles and binds automatically, and the assembled core is heat-treated, surface coating and solidified. Prior to performance test, which ensures the quality of closed 3-dimensional coil core of amorphous alloy and ensures the safety and reliability of the core during the operation of transformers. We are committed to providing quality products that service our customers' exacting requirements.